in a bit. Put on saltwater buoy something. If you do it one time, you're going to get any prize. Watch me. Do it one time, guys, you get any prize.
Oh, the tickets are right here.
You only got to do it once. Come out, so working all day. Here, I'm going to show you again, sir. Watch me. So you want to make sure your stick is in line with your bottle. I'm using my right hand, so I'm going to put my right foot forward. I'm going to pick it up from the lip right here. Once I get to here, I'm going to pause. Now watch me, don't watch the bottle.
What's up?
Let me see if I got some.
This one's going next month.